Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing a daily reading for the 16th of October 2021. Let's see what is coming up for everyone out there for today. Knight of Cups paired up with Four of Cups. Wow, paired up with the Death. Wow, I do see somebody coming towards you in your love life. Somebody making a step towards you, taking a step towards you. But it seems like you already have a lot of offers, a lot of people to move on with, but you are not choosing to do that. There is a specific someone in your life that you're waiting for. There is a specific movement coming from a person that you are waiting for to happen. It can be a past person, it can be a person that you are currently dealing with, but maybe you are in on and off situation with that person. I feel like it's one of those days where you are feeling tempted to accept an offer coming your way from other people, and you are not happy doing so, but yes, you feel like maybe you can take that offer now. And at the same time, there is another person who has taken a step towards you as well. It can be a past person that you are in no communication with that is taking a step towards you. You can't see that right now, but as you choose to move on from within, you decide, okay, fine, like let me take the offer that I have right now. The moment you decide on that, and the moment you kind of feel like maybe I can move on, is the moment when the past person shows up, taking a step towards you. Maybe they are going to message you for some of you, maybe they are going to be checking you on social media for some of you, maybe they are taking a step towards you which you will not be able to see. So for majority of you, maybe they are kind of checking you out, or checking out your previous messages, pictures and stuff like that. But there is one step taken from that person towards you which you are unaware of. At the same time, I feel like you are going to be considering moving on to to take the offer that you have already, be that through proposal, be that through friends and family, be that through a person who showed interest in you. You are going to decide, no, I think I can take that. I can take that love offer coming my way because I really want to move on. So there is this shift happening in you towards the current situation when it comes to your love life, which is going to bring the shift that you always desired from a specific someone. Let's take one last card here, and then you are going to get confused because that person is also going to show up. Right now I feel like the action that they are going to take is not going to be visible to you, but in the days to come, you're going to see that, and then you are going to get confused because you will be like conflicted. Shall you accept the person from the past, or shall you move on? So I do see that coming up for majority of you. I do see you taking a step or deciding for yourself that you want to move on, and as you do that, maybe towards the night time, towards the next day, towards the day after that, you are going to get confused because of the decision that you took. Underneath the deck, we do have the Ten of Swords. I feel like you are so tired of being in that situation where you have been waiting on for a past person to show up, to give in, to give you what you desire. But at the same time, the moment you let that go, let that fear go, let the thought go, let the person go, let the situation go, and try to decide for yourself that no, it's better to move on, that's going to be the moment when you are going to meet the one, have the one that you are destined to be with, be that a past person, be that a new person. So that's what I'm picking up coming up for you for today. So I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.